Chapter 37 Famous Explorers. An explorer is a person who travels to unknown places to learn more about them. Read about some explorers here. Number 1. Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to travel in space in 1963. She was also the first space traveler who had never been a test pilot. Number 2. Ferdinand Magellan was a famous Portuguese explorer. He traveled from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. He was the leader of the first European expedition to cross it. The Strait of Magellan is named after him. Number 3. Vasco da Gama was a famous Portuguese explorer who sailed around the continent of Africa. In 1498, he reached the coast of Calicut in India. Let me answer. Which Russian cosmonaut became the first man to travel into space in 1961? Teachers note, this universe has many unseen and untouched places to be explored. Adventurous people in the past from the whole world have explored many places. Discuss them in detail. Number 4. Christopher Columbus was the first European to reach America in 1492. He named the people he met there Indian, assuming he had reached the shores of India. Number 5. Bartolomeu Dias, an explorer from Portugal, sailed around the tip of Africa in 1488. He called it the Cape of Storms. Later it came to be known as the Cape of Good Hope. Info bits. Neil Armstrong was the first human being to walk on the moon on 20 July 1969. Quiz time. Name the following. 1. The person who said the words "one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Neil Armstrong. 2. One of the first European travelers to travel the Silk Route to China, Marco Polo. 3. The Indian city in which Vasco da Gama died, Cochin. 4. The first Indian to go into space, Rakesh Sharma.